I'm shy. I don't know how it's going to happen. It's so scary. When you talk like that, you create the causes for yourself not to be here in the future. If your teacher tells you, do this, it can be accomplished. And behind your teacher's back, they say, oh, cannot, maybe can, maybe cannot, and debate and question and go back and forth and play mind games of doubt. Mind games of doubt. You create the causes for yourself not to be here in the future. Why? To create the causes to be here is to believe. Is to believe we can raise a Dharma center. Is to believe we can raise the fund. Is to believe we can build a center. Why? If we believe, there's a much higher chance we can accomplish. If we don't believe, then, right, at the onset, it cannot be accomplished. So therefore, believe it can be accomplished. Believe it can be done. Believe it will be fulfilled. Therefore, don't come up here, sitting here in front of me, doing fake prayers, showing fake faith, making fake effort. Come up here and join me with real faith in the three jewels, the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha. Come up here with real confidence in your Dharma teacher. Come up here with real confidence in your Dharma protector. And work harmoniously. And all will be accomplished. You will see some of the trees being cut. You will see the machinery going up. You will see the land starting to be built. That's very, very important. So, believe. Along with that belief is most important harmony. If you're not harmonious, even the land gods will create more friction and unhappiness. It will affect their minds. If you affect the minds of people next to you, you will affect the minds of the deities around you. Harmony. Harmony. Whatever differences we have with each other, past, present, and future. Your fault or other people's fault. If you react to it, you are not doing Dharma work. Every time you show a black face, every time you show fierce eyes, you are not doing Dharma work. And you will create the causes to not be with me up here. You will create the cause for yourself to age unhappily, alone, with your TC wife, TC husband, TC children. Listening to TC stories about getting married, eating, going out. That's it. Do not create the causes. Especially the liaisons. Do not misrepresent me with each other, with outside people. Put your egos down. Put your angry mind down. Put your shame down. Put your embarrassment down. Put your lack of confidence down. Put your greedy mind down and become light. Especially the liaisons who work very closely with me. Show the right example to everyone in the organization. Show the right example to your Dharma protectors. Show the right example to the newbies. Most important, the liaisons must be like brothers and sisters on an island with no one around, no boats, no civilization, just you on this island. You must act in that type of way with each other, with compassion, with closeness. Why? All of us have different personalities. If we cannot get along with each other, how will we get along with all the hundreds of people who will come into the future? All liaisons must get along. Each liaison must get along with each other's good points and talk about it. And the bad points, absorb and keep quiet. Why? We need to move to the next level. The next level is not about what I like about this person, what I like about this person, what I don't like about this person, what I don't like about this person. The next level is raising $100 million. That's much bigger. All liaisons must accept each other, work with each other, and get along with each other. Whatever you have done, wrong or right, move to the next level. Do not look at how your mother used to be. Do not look at how your father used to be. Do not look at how your neighbors used to be. Do not look at how your peers used to be. Look at how you should be now by following your Dharma and Buddha and gurus and monastic example. The good monastics. The people in the past that you follow example are wrong. If they are not wrong, you will be at peace now. You will be enlightened now. Do not follow the example of your mother, your father, your uncles, your aunts, your sisters, your brothers. Do not. They are wrong. If we wish to move to the next level, the next level is not out there. The next level is here. If you want 100 million to come, you move to the next level here. I do not want to hear complaints from any of the liaisons, from any of the public. I don't want to hear complaints from each liaison about another liaison. I do not want to hear complaints from the public about one of the liaisons. If you do, if I hear, you're going backward. Think of the few people who arrogantly held on to their views and left. What is their situation now? Where are they now? Where are they now? What are they doing now? It's not because they left. It's because they've been left to their own karma. Don't help at all. Therefore, those people who have left, the few people very arrogant, who have left, who are not doing well. They're not doing well not because they left and because we're so good and we're so powerful. No, they are left because they went back to the way they were. And they go down, 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 down. If I disrobe and I just go and have fun, I will go down. Same for me, same. So therefore, the next level is not out here. The next level is here. The next level is in here. What's that next level? Train your speech. Train your speech. Now. Talk well with each other. Control your ego. Show a pleasant face so that you deserve to get donations to build that. Talk well. Show a pleasant face so you deserve the protector's help to get 100 million to build that. Do not deceive the public. Outside, smile, smile, nice, nice, friendly, friendly. Inside, disharmony. Do not deceive. If we do that, the protector will not help us. I guarantee you. Some of us have personal aspirations in our life. If our personal aspirations are fulfilled, our ego, our arrogance, our anger will go bigger. The protector won't allow that. Do you know why? It's better for the rest of your life you live simply, without much money or ado. Then when you die, you don't go to hell. Then if the protector gives you what you want, and for the next 5-10 years, you have what you want and you do as you like, your ego gets bigger. When you die, you go to hell. Our Dharma protector is an enlightened being. He does not look at you for the few years that you have left. He looks at you for the next 100, 200, 300 lifetimes. So therefore, whatever you make black tea or pray for you, your family, your wife, your husband, whether it's coming true or not, if you have taken refuge in a protector. If it's not coming true, you should think it is a blessing. If it is coming true, you should think it's a blessing. That is how a real Dharma practitioner must think. Why? Because that is the truth. I went through up and down, up and down, up and down for the last 40 years. Mostly down. But my confidence in my Dharma protector never went away. You don't see me throwing BFs or being bitchy or ugly or mean to people because I'm very poor or I'm very sick or I have something wrong with me. Because I have full confidence in my Dharma protector. So therefore, we are here to do a blessing. If we don't like this person, if we don't like that person, if we don't like this person, if we think negative things about this person, how are we blessing this place? So what's my speech about today? My speech is firm and straight and very direct because we have a lot of work to do. Joyful work, happy work, excitement, a work that will fulfill our destiny and our legacy and why we have joined together in this life. We didn't get together to eat, to sleep, or to gossip. We got together to do Dharma work, to benefit others. We got together from previous lives' karma and prayer to be here to do Dharma work. If you are called upon by your Dharma brothers and sisters or your Guru to do Dharma work, do not refuse now. Do not refuse. Do not put silly, ridiculous excuses. Oh, I'm busy. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. I cannot. No. When your Dharma brothers and sisters call upon you now to do Dharma work, do it. Then you will create the causes to be here. You will create the causes. Don't look at yourself today. Don't look at yourself tomorrow. Look at yourself 3 years down the line. 1 decade down the line. Maybe some of you 2 decades. Not all of you will be here for 2 decades down the line. Look into. And then whatever you do now will create the causes to be there. Whatever you do there will create the causes for you to have a good future life. Some of you here are in your 20s. In 10 years, you'll be in your late 30s. In 15 years, you'll be in your 40s. It's over already. Don't run around thinking, oh, I'm young, I'm young. Actually, you're not. You're not. Some of us here in our 30s. In 10 years, 40s. Some of us in our 40s. In 10 years, in our 50s. How much time? If you want that to manifest, listen carefully. The money is out there. It's waiting for us. What will make it come quicker or sooner is your attitude. My attitude. It's our motivation. Prove that we are ready by getting along with each other. Prove we are ready by being kind to each other. Never show a stern face. Never show a stern eye. Never show a stern speech from today on. Create the causes for this. I will do my puja. You do your puja. Your puja has been assigned to you today. No stern face. No stern eye. Compassion. Forgiveness. Harmony with each other and with everybody around you. As much as possible and make yourself move to the next level. Then you will create the causes to be there. You'll create the causes for there to be in you. You'll create the causes to bring many, 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 many people here in the future. Even when they hear the name or they see our Lama Tsongkhapa statue, they will have the seeds of enlightenment planted in their mind. The causes for their suffering to end will stop. The causes of their suffering will be implanted in their mind. So therefore, in the future, they will meet the Dharma. They will practice the Dharma. They will find their Guru. They will find their Dharma center. They will find their sect. And they will practice. Why? Lama Tsongkhapa blesses without any type of bias to be a better person. This Lama Tsongkhapa will benefit this whole area, will benefit this whole country, will benefit this whole region, and it will send shockwaves throughout the planet. Because it will be the largest brass indoor statue in the world. Many people will hear the name Tsongkhapa. Many of us are here today to prepare previous commitments to Tsongkhapa. Many of us. Some of us don't even know why we are here. We're here. Some of us experience frustration or doubt. Some of us experience fear. Some of us don't know even why we're here. But we're here. That's by the power of our prayers from our previous lives to Lord Tsongkhapa himself. Directly or indirectly. So my point is what? Now it's time to fulfill Lama Tsongkhapa's vows, what you have made. How do you fulfill it? By transforming here. How do you transform? Watch your speech. Watch your mind. Watch your face. Watch your body. Be kind, forgiving, accepting to each other as the first step to all the people you need to act like that to when they come in the future. The hundreds and hundreds of people, good, bad, ugly, scary, crazy, nice, generous, jealous, calm, compassionate, ill will all come to our center. And for us to create the closet to help them, we must start now. Just like when we started our Dharma Center in Tara House. No, in Ruby's house. And then that created the closets to have Tara House. That created the closets to have Bhakti. That created the closets for us to have KH. Created the closets for us to have KH2. Created the closets for us to have the stores, the outlets, KMP. That is creating the causes for us to have this. The transformation is now. The transformation is here. It's not these rituals. It's not all this water. These are very, very rudimentary. It's to collect merit. You do your job. I do my job. The protectors will do their job. It's very important now that liaisons get along. No more little mind games. I'm not happy. I'm not going to SMS you. All right, I remove you from my phone list now. You want to play mind games like a 15-year-old girl? I remove you from my SMS list. Very simple. You find my presence disturbing for your mind? Remove. Very simple. Create more closets for you to go down. Be mature now. Be spiritually mature. What's my point? All of you are here for a reason. I called you for a reason. The reason is we have a lot of work. A lot of work. And the work will be hard. It will be difficult. But it will be joyful and fun and exciting and extremely beneficial. It will be the best thing any of you ladies and gentlemen have ever done in your life. Don't die saying, I had a baby, I had a daughter, I had a son, I had a car, I had a husband, I had a guilo. Don't die saying I had money, I had a big car, I had a big house. So what? Don't die just making a baby, having a house, having a car. No. Die saying, I created an institution that will benefit so many people, that are benefiting so many people. I give my life for this. We don't have to run around the planet in our parents telling, oh, I give my life to the Dharma. No, but inside we should think like that. Do not leave this life eating, sleeping, wearing jewelry, having nice car, having beautiful girlfriend, having beautiful husband. You can have that, but that's just a side benefit. Leave this life with something bigger. Let the ego be left behind. Build our Lama Tsongkhapa. Build our Lama Tsongkhapa and everything that comes along with it. What's my point? Time's a ticking. Don't look at yourself now. Don't hold on to your problems now. Don't hold on to your problems like this and say, it's so big. No. Your problems are very small. You don't have money. You keep thinking I don't have money and you let the no have money weigh you down. Then you always have no money. Why you open the karma to have no money? Rinpoche doesn't have any money. Everybody knows that. You guys are all raising funds for me, sending donations, giving me angpaos. You all know I don't have money. Then what the heck am I talking about this? I don't need money. The whole world has money. And the money will come. Believe. Don't doubt me. I don't doubt my guru. I'm telling you what my guru has foretold many years ago and recently. Get along. If this wasn't the most important factor, I wouldn't be stressing this every time we meet. Don't think little birds tell me things and I get upset and I have a speech. This is the general way that we have to go. Then when I hear little birds talk, it reminds me that yes, this is the most important. Do not think your guru can be manipulated back and forth and he's that stupid. Get along. No black face. No fierce eye, even to our husbands, if they are ugly to us. Kind eye. Kind face to each other first. Then to your families. You want your families to practice dharma? You transform. Don't tell them, oh, chant miksima, and then you're a monster. Don't say, oh, Lama Tsongkhapa is so good, and you're sneaky. Be kind to your husband. Be kind to your wife. Calm down. Next time you have an argument, calm down. Calm down. Do not react to them. Do not be cold. Then when you transform, they will slowly believe the dharma. And they will come in. If they don't come in all the way, they will help. They will donate. They will offer their friends to help. You transform first. You transform first. And let the transformation be consistent. Be respectful to each other. And now is not the time to leave your work for the other leads on, this leads on. Everybody grab as much work as you can do. Why? You'll create the causes to be there. To be there means what? To do retreats, to gain attainments, to transform, to bring that benefit to others. That's what it means. It isn't just physically there. Listen to my words. Let Lama Tsongkhapa's name become even more famous in the world. Let it be known that in a little peninsula in Asia, a little country called Malaysia, they have the largest Lama Tsongkhapa on this planet. Let that name ring out. And everyone who hears the name Tsongkhapa, even in the Middle East, even hearing the name, will affect their future lives because of Tsongkhapa's enlightenment. That's not arrogance, that's compassion. Let everybody in the East, the West, all hear Tsongkhapa's name. That in Malaysia, this group, the Char House, built 118-foot Tsongkhapa with precious mantras inside and precious wealth bases inside. Let it be heard. Leave this life knowing that you did that and you were fully involved, that you didn't push the responsibility someone else. You did it. When we do our opening up there, be happy because you were involved, you didn't have doubts, and you went all the way.